Hey, yo, what's up, guys? Rich RC. I'm here to give you my contest entry for the Blu-ray King 1000 subscriber contest. And right now, I have to use pictures right now because I'm still on vacation and the deadline is August 14th. So I'm gonna try doing this on this new app I found, which was the iMovie, which I just found on my iPad. So far it's good, but let's go into this. Congratulations, Blu-ray King, on getting 1000 subscribers, and let's get started. So first question was, what's your favorite box set or special edition in your collection? Uh, I love this box set to death, guys. This is my favorite box set I have, and that is the Game of Thrones season 3 Amazon exclusive statue, which comes with a statue of one of the dragons of Daenerys that she has, and which is just awesome, guys. I got this just on my birthday. I used all my birthday money I got to buy this, and it's my favorite box on my collection, guys. So that's question number one. Question number two is, what's your favorite Blu-ray in your collection? And it was a tough pick, guys, because I don't know if he's asking like favorite Blu-ray, like if he meant steelbooks, digibooks, or something, but I think he meant like regular Blu-ray. So I had to choose. I had tough time picking, and finally my favorite Blu-ray in my collection is the Incredible Hulk Blu-ray Blu-ray, and it's not like the single disc edition. Is the meticulous cover and green case edition that was out of print for a long time, and I finally found it in FYE one day, and I was so proud that I found it. It comes with the meticulous cover and a green Blu-ray case, and some of those are kind of rare right now. So that's my favorite Blu-ray in my collection. So yeah, that's question number two. Now, for the third question is, what is your favorite Blu-ray TV series in your collection? And there's no doubt about it, guys. I keep telling you this, so this is no surprise. And that is Game of Thrones, guys. This show is just incredibly amazing, guys. My favorite show of HBO of all time, guys. And I just love this series, guys. And that's why I truly love this show. It has sci-fi, drama, violence, war, and that's all I want. That's all I like from this TV show, and hopefully it keeps going on and on for decades. But I know one day it will end. So yeah, my favorite TV show is Game of Thrones. Now, question number four is, what is your favorite movie memorabilia? And I don't have any memorabilia. Sorry, I can't pronounce that word very good. And so the other question was, what is your favorite movie area? So my favorite movie area is my top shelf, where I keep all my box sets and collector's edition. It just looks so awesome right there. And as you can see, I have my Game of Thrones season 3 box set, season 3 Amazon exclusive, my Walking Dead season 3 aquarium set, my Friends complete series, and the Avengers Best Buy exclusive. And as you can see, as I always tell you, I'm trying to replace that because there's a crack that came when I bought it and they didn't want, and I couldn't return it. So yeah, it's my favorite movie area in my collection. Now for the fifth question is, what's your top five favorite sports? So mainly my first sport that I like is football, the American sport for all of us, and I've always loved football, and if you're asking, I'm a Cowboys fan. Yeah. My second favorite sport is a sport that everybody in my family plays, and that is soccer. We love playing soccer most of the time, and yeah, that is my second favorite sport. Third favorite sport has to be hockey, even though I never played it because there's no ice skating rink or skating rink around where I live. I love watching the NHL. I love when the Capitals play, so that's my third favorite sport. Fourth, basketball. I played it with my friends, mainly not anymore, not that much lately, but I love going to watch the Wizards. That's my favorite team of the NBA. So yeah. Fifth favorite sport is another sport that my family loves playing. That is volleyball. I mainly don't like I don't watch it on TV, but I love playing with my family. Even though I nearly broke my finger playing it once. So, but yeah, I love playing volleyball with my family. So that is my condescension for this. Congratulations on Blu-ray King on getting 1,000 subscribers, and hope you get 2,000 subscribers soon. Peace out.